Medical notes this week. Trauma at such an early age that we don't remember it can still have lifelong effects. A study in the journal Developmental Science screened nearly 200 preteens for stressful experiences in infancy and toddlerhood, asking if they'd gone through stressors such as parental divorce, a move to a new hometown, or the death of a loved one. Then they were given structural MRIs, which showed a much greater likelihood of a smaller hippocampus in the brain of the traumatized youth. That can lead to memory deficits. If you get one of your knees replaced, there's a pretty good chance it will lead to having the other knee done within 5 years. A study in the Journal of Orthopedic Research shows that happens to nearly a quarter of people who have total knee replacement surgery, possibly a result of abnormal walking patterns after the first replacement. Researchers say physical therapy after knee replacement should aim to normalize walking movement to avoid the need for a second surgery. And finally, if you're in a stressful situation, think about your Valentine. A study in the journal Psychophysiology shows that visualizing your romantic partner is just as effective at lowering your blood pressure as actually having them there to comfort you. It could be one reason having a sweetie is good for your health. And that's Medical Notes this week.